Actually, I'll pick this one. So like around T6 and 7. If I go this way, yeah, she feels that. If I go this way, there's much more give. So it seems like it's misaligned in that direction. That doesn't matter for the adjustment so much. So here's her mastoid. And I said around 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And when I get up here, what do I find? It's interesting. One side's indented, and the other one really feels like it's protruding. She says she can feel that. And from there, I'm going to go through a procedure that I discovered. So what I found is that right around that area where 6 and 7 should be, the two sides were pretty asymmetrical. One was indented, and the other one felt like it was protruding. The pressure you're giving sends like a signal to that area, and then that area is sending a signal back. And so when you send a signal there, the space starts to open. The vertebrae starts to rock a bit, and that's when your finger sinks in. But the natural movement of any vertebrae is like that. All day and all night, when you're awake or sleeping, those vertebrae should be rocking proprioceptively in the space. And again, when there's compression from the stress system, it closes the space, the vertebrae starts to freeze, and that affects all the impulse and information moving through that area. And that's what we're restoring. Like I mentioned before, most of the time this is a process that happens over time. This is not a one and done thing. People have to recover all of those dimensions of information that have gotten trapped in the body, stuck in different ways, back into the system. Like, recycling it back into the system takes time. Once you get the first indication of movement coming to your fingers, then if you relax, I think you'll start to notice the seesaw. One side sinking in, and then the body seems to push it out. And I correlate that with the movement of the vertebrae that's going on here. So it's like sinking in, being pushed out. I'll go back to this one to check it. So it's much softer now.